lot of authors want to publish their book on Amazon but don't know how to go about it. If you would like to learn how to publish your book on Amazon in paperback format, then keep watching. Hi, my name is Ezinne Edet. I'm a creative writer and editor who helps writers find their voice and earn from their skill. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to publish your book on Amazon in paperback format. Before you publish your paperback on Amazon, you'll want to get your book cover ready. If you would like to learn how to design the book cover for your paperback using Canva, then you'll want to watch this video here. Before we go to my desktop, don't forget to hit the like button. To publish your paperback on Kindle Direct Publishing, first of all, log into your KDP account and then come here and click on Paperback. Once you've done that, this page is going to open. So you're going to publish your paperback in 3 simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to put in your paperback details. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. Now that we have successfully put in our paperback details, the next thing we are going to do is to put in the content of our paperback. That is our manuscript and book cover. Let's go ahead and do that quickly. So we are going to upload the manuscript that we had formatted using Kindle Create. Then we go ahead and upload the book cover that we had already designed on Canva. That is the one with the front, spine, and back. After uploading your book cover and your manuscript, make sure that you launch the previewer to make sure that there are no errors on your manuscript. This is what the previewer looks like. This sign shows that there is an error on our book cover. So we are going to check the left-hand side of the previewer to see what the error is all about. The text I have highlighted is the problem with the book cover. So how we are going to fix this error is by going to Canva and resizing the book cover again. So let's do that quickly. We are going to exit the previewer and go back and upload the resized book cover. To launch the previewer again to be sure that there is no error in our manuscript or the book cover. Now you see that the error on the book cover has been fixed. So we can go ahead and preview the manuscript to make sure that the interior is okay. Now that we are sure that everything is okay, we are going to click Approve. Then save and continue. So in this section, we are going to put in the price for our book. And once you're done putting in the price for your book, go ahead and click Publish Your Paperback. So that's how you publish your paperback on Amazon KDP. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe for more videos.